What is going on YouTube? Hitting back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Huge shout out to Aidoge for sponsoring today's episode. And in today's video, we do have quite some interesting things to go over and discuss with you guys, obviously on the topic of Aidoge, but I want to answer some frequently asked questions that you guys have been asking and commenting on my channel, but still maybe are confused about. Now, I have been dissecting and deep diving into Aidoge, where the money is going to, if they've actually raised $11.4 million, where it's floating around, and how exactly everything is working. And, you know, to answer maybe some of you guys' questions are asking, well, I purchased, tokens on Aidoge and I haven't received them. Well, I have an answer for you. Or I had another comment. Well, the 4-day tick, or the countdown here has continuously reset. So why is that happening here? And I know there's a lot of questions that you guys are asking, and I'm going to try to answer all of those here, as well as deep diving into where their money is floating around, if they've actually raised this, so on and so forth here. Obviously, there's tons of skepticism, and I'm still skeptical in a meme coin that comes to market here because, you know, it's crypto. Things pump and dump and rug pull all the time. So it is risky, and there is risk involved with getting involved in these cryptocurrencies. But if you understand the risks that are involved in this and not investing anything more you can't afford to lose, or anything you can't afford to lose, then, you know, you are taking a gamble. You know, cryptocurrency, especially when you get involved in cryptos like this, is educated gambling. But if you understand that, you're okay. But for those that are new, or maybe have never heard of Aidoge, I want to talk about it because they are very much so an up-and-coming cryptocurrency meme coin pre-sale that is getting all the talk of the town right now within the crypto space here. And I'm going to try to go over all that with you guys. So with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let me explain a little bit more about what Aidoge is. So for those who haven't already heard, Aidoge is creating a platform that enables users to create AI-generated memes using user-provided prompts, and as such, is going to provide real-world utility. This means for the first time in history, users can use artificial intelligence to create relevant memes in the space. More importantly, Aidoge has also created a new coin that is set to take digital assets a notch higher with its unique features. The coin, called literally AI, combines the two currently trending niches in the market, memes and artificial intelligence. Aidoge has successfully stood out among other rising coins that have surfaced recently because of these unique features. As a disclaimer, just so we are all on the same page, meme coins are indeed different from more established cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin. But Aidoge's goal is indeed to separate itself from the meme token class with its certain utilities once it is developed. Now, at least that's what they outline on their website and white paper. Now, for those that still need clarity, meme coins are different because major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum were created to solve real problems, while meme coins aren't. Now, although there are some instances like Dogecoin being seen as a medium of exchange where a meme coin transcends its joke status and becomes a utility, the overwhelming majority of meme coins don't, as you should know. Major cryptocurrencies were created to actually and eventually be universally accepted as genuine decentralized currencies, and they're also designed to revolutionize like entire industries. Meme coins, though, when created, are usually just to make people money, which is totally fine. Don't get me wrong. We've had our fair share playing around with meme coins, but if you've been in the crypto space long enough, or for more than like a day, you would know that by now, that it's literally just made to make money. Unsurprisingly, there also have been tons of pump and dump schemes where people, you know, have lost quite a lot of money after investing in some of these digital meme coins. But also, like, on the flip side, there are also plenty of people who have also made a pretty penny off investing in meme coins. It really just depends on which side of the drop you're on, either the bull run up or the bear run down, as we've seen many a times in Dogecoin, in Shiba Inu, in Squid Game, like in Squid Token, in tons of other meme coins that have been on the market here. But like I said earlier, most meme coins are launched as a way to just make money, and they're not really created to serve any purpose, and they tend to go away just as fast as they come. Now, people investing in them are not doing so because they like the fundamentals of the token. And therefore, you find a lot of instances where a meme coin like comes to market, investors pile on, thus rising the price during pre-sale, and then they sell it shortly after to earn a profit, and the coin crashes. Now, that is why it's important to do your research in this and not to invest anything you can't afford to lose. But there are also, don't get me wrong, plenty of occurrences where these meme coins do go on to offer plenty of real-world utility, which Aidoge does seem to offer, and with that comes its own set of potentially lucrative opportunities to make money. So now that you understand the basics of Aidoge and you understand the risks of getting involved, because there is a lot of risk in Aidoge, now I can go over what exactly is happening within Aidoge. So the first question is, why is there a countdown ticker here that keeps resetting? That is a great question. I'm sure I had it first. That was my first thought when I saw this keep resetting. Why is that? Well, to answer that, this is a pre-sale. So they are trying to raise money for development of their cryptocurrency and for their platform, and pretty much for creating the actual utility they are promising with their exchange here. Now, that's why we're seeing this ticker, because they are in pre-sale stages. As you can see, there's 3 days, 23 hours, 58 minutes left, and 18 seconds left for this current pre-sale here. And every single time a new pre-sale opens, the price raises up in regards to how many tokens you can get. The price of each token raises here. Currently, they've raised $11.49 million, which is absolutely insane. Just 3 days ago, this is about to reset to 3 days here, they were a little under $10 million. If I click this and show you guys just recently the price of Aidoge, which is absolutely insane. I'm pulling it up right now. Hold on here. Let me show you wherever it is. Here we go. They were at $9.7 million just a couple of days ago, and they're now over $11.5 million in pre-sale raised. It's absolutely ludicrous. It's insane to see that they're raising all this money. Now, to answer your question, you can see, if we go to Aidoge's Twitter, you can see which stage of the pre-sale they're in. You can see here, stage 15 has sold out in less than 24 hours with over 10.8 million raised so far in their pre-sale. Don't miss your chance to get in early. This is the pre-sale they're talking about. Stage 15 sold out, over 10.8 million raised. So every time a stage of their pre-sale closes, that is why you're seeing this reset. It's not that they're continuously resetting only one pre-sale. No, there is a total that they've done so far of 15 pre-sales, and that's why it's resetting. So how many pre-sales are there? That's the next question. Well, if you deep dive and do a little bit more research into it, they have published some articles a couple of weeks ago, or 21 days ago. You can see May 1st. Trending AI crypto coin Aidoge enters stage 2 of its pre-sale. How many pre-sales are there? Well, if you scroll down, it says, with 20 pre-sale stages, Aidoge tokens might soon sell out in weeks due to the AI meme coins trend and growing popularity. So that means there are a total of 20 pre-sales left. And since as of just a couple, I believe, of hours ago, 22 hours ago, just yesterday, they were at stage 15. So there are a total of 5 pre-sales left. When the pre-sale stage is closed, then they will go public and probably list their cryptocurrencies on different exchanges, and you will then receive your cryptocurrency. The next question is, for a lot of you guys, is you've already bought in and you've purchased Aidoge, you've sent money into it, but it doesn't go anywhere. You haven't seen it in your wallet. Well, why is that? That is another great question. To answer that as to where your money has gone is if you scroll down to the bottom of the page here and you go to where it says, when will I get my AI tokens? Well, you click this and it says, if you've purchased AI tokens in the pre-sale, you'll receive them within 7 days of the pre-sale ending here. So as you know, the pre-sale is still going on. I believe they're referring to these, not the stages of the pre-sale, but the legitimate pre-sale itself. The pre-sale ends, you can see, in probably a couple of days, maybe another week or two, but we're at stage 15, ending stage 15 of 20 stages. And when that ends, then ideally you should get your AI tokens. You'll receive them within 7 days of the pre-sale ending. So that's within 1 week after stage 20 closes. So hopefully that answers all the questions. Now, the other skepticism I have is how easy is it to create a ticker like this and just show how much money you're raising? That's another big question that I've always thought and had in regards to investing in something like this. Well, I did a step further, and if you click buy now, it loads up my MetaMask, and you can see here, we do have a token symbol here. This is kind of a transfer or a shift in where the money is going to, but you can see my account is sending money to this account here. Well, if we click this account, copy it, or view it on the Block Explorer here, you can now see where my money would be sent to. It would be sent from my token wallet address to this one here, which ends in B4BC, let's say, for example. You can see all of the transactions, the legitimate transactions, sending Ethereum to this token address? Well, as you can see, this token address has 0, so it's a transfer. This is just used to, I guess, hold the money temporarily as it kind of mix it up on the blockchain here. But if we go a step further and we click on internal transactions, you can see the second money is sent into this exchange here. From this, it is sent immediately out to other wallet addresses. But you can see there is one and a few in common, but the one that stands out the most seems to end in 652. You can see how often 652 pops up here in regards to how much money is being sent to this one, which is absolutely insane. Well, if we click this token address, you can see this is where majority of the cryptocurrency is being saved in. Now, there were other addresses that is sending the cryptocurrency, I'm sure, to pay developers and stuff like that with the money raised from this investment here, so on and so forth, wherever else it's being sheltered at. But a big chunk of it, a big chunk of the 11.5, I know there's still plenty to be missed here, is being sent here of the 7.5 million. So this is legitimate money being moved in. That ticker raised on Aidoge is legitimate money being sent into this exchange, which is insane and incredible here. Obviously, they haven't released the contract address of the cryptocurrency yet. They maybe are still in development of the cryptocurrency, the Aidoge token. That's why you haven't received it yet, because they haven't made it. And then they're going to distribute those tokens to everybody who has bought in on the pre-sale. They have a ledger of all of that information and all that stuff. They're still in development. Once the pre-sale ends, then they will send it to you with the contract address of the cryptocurrency made. So hopefully that answers a lot of your guys' questions. But I even looked a step further into this address here, and I was able to kind of dissect the history, the growth of this wallet address, which is absolutely insane. And you can see in the wee bits beginning, even, or it's just April 25th, that's literally 1 month from today. In the past, it had 100 grand of USD or of Ethereum in here, which is still insane. But you can see how quickly this coin erupted and how much cryptocurrency was being sent into it. It's absolutely incredible here. There's being tons and tons of cryptocurrency sent into this account balance here, which is just absurd to me. Almost approaching $8 million worth of Ethereum is absolutely insane. Now, this is where most of that money is being held that was clearly pulled up from investors piling into here, but we'll see what happens here. I mean, you know, things happen within these cryptos. We can look at Memecoin, you can look at Shiba, you can look at Doge. Every single cryptocurrency that has had a meme coin backing it, for the most part, or just even ones with real utility, we see the big pump and dumps. It just happens here. So to think anything less like that, this won't see a pump and dump, you'd be a fool to think that. You know, we'll see if there's a rug pull. Nobody knows. But for the time being, it is something to consider here that this does happen here, but people like this. That's why it keeps happening. People enjoy seeing pump and dumps. They like buying in at the pre-sale stages early, risking 50 bucks to try to make $10,000 or 100,000. But, you know, you got to sell out quick. Otherwise, you are going to get on the butt end of this, and that's not necessarily good. But you can see we shot all the way up to, you know, it doesn't show you the exact price, so I can't do that, but a $1.87 billion valuation, and now we're down to 260 million. So you can see money dumps into it, money pulls out, and then those people find another meme coin, dump in, and then they pull out, so on and so forth, consistently over and over again. But that's pretty much answering a lot of, hopefully, your guys' questions in regards to Aidoge. If you have any more, feel free to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.